explanation. Look at the pictures of the currency notes given below. Write their values in the boxes. The value of this note is 100 rupees. The value of this note is 500 rupees. The note has a value of rupees 1000. The value of this coin is rupees 5. The coin has a value of rupees 1. Write the total amount, value in the empty boxes. 650 rupees, 755 rupees, 539 rupees. Tony, I have 3 notes. Their total value is 75 rupees. Salma, I too have 75 rupees, but I have 5 notes. Tony, how can that be? Tony has these notes. Total 75 rupees. And Salma has these notes. Total 75 rupees. It means that both Tony and Salma are right. Sanju, I have a 100 rupee note, 4 notes of 20 rupees, 6 coins of 1 rupee each. How much money do I have? Raju, you have 186 rupees altogether. Anita, I have 4 notes. They are worth 170 rupees altogether. Can you guess which notes I have? Rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10, rupees 10. Can we give rupees 170 using 4 notes in any other way? 50, 50, 50, 20.